Understanding Ripped Off, a guide to slang in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of English slang and idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we'll explore what it means to be ripped off. So, if you've ever wondered about this phrase, you're in the right place. The phrase, ripped off, is a slang term that refers to a situation where someone has been cheated, overcharged, or deceived in a transaction. It implies that a person has paid too much for something or has been tricked into buying something that is not worth its price. Let's look at some examples to understand how ripped off is used in everyday conversations. I paid $200 for these headphones, but they stopped working in a week. I feel like I got ripped off. Be careful when you shop in tourist areas. It's easy to be ripped off if you don't know the usual prices. When using ripped off in a sentence, it typically follows a form of the verb to be. For example, I was ripped off by that online store last month. They feel ripped off after the contractor charged them double the estimate for the repair work. And there you have it. Now you know what it means to be ripped off and how to use the term correctly. It's a handy phrase to know, especially to describe unfair transactions. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in expanding your English vocabulary. See you next time, and don't get ripped off out there.